Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to revive dried up poster colors, acrylic and watercolors. I have got a few colors here currently unusable, but I'll walk you through the process of bringing them back to the life so you can use them efficiently. Now we are going to see easy and affordable solution at home. So to fix this dry color, you will need one sanitizer bottle and you will need the hot water. So sanitizer bottle, why we need it? We need any alcohol based solution. It can be a thinner also. So what we will do, we'll put 3 to 4 spray of the sanitizing solution in the dry bottle and hot water spray for 3 to 4 solution. This color was too dry and it was dried from last 3 to 4 years, so I'm trying to fix it now. For that you'll have to be patient with this, so keep it overnight, or you can have to keep it with this solution for at least 2 to 3 hours. Right now I'll have a watercolor tube in my hand, so this is totally dry. If you can see, if I open the knob of it and I can show, I will press this tube, but still it will not come any color out. So for this we have to cut this tube from the extreme end of the tube. Now I'll take one bowl or any container. In that I have to take all this color out. So be careful with this. The body of the tube is of the metal, so you will be having, this is how you have to take your all the color out first in any container. Now you have taken out all the colors. Now you will put hot water in it, at least 3 to 4 spray depending on the dryness of the color. Now 2 to 3 sanitizers spray, and you'll have to mix with all this water and the sanitizing spray. You have to keep this color with the sanitizing spray and hot water for at least 3 to 4 hours so that it can be mixed with each other, and you will get all the color properly with the proper consistency. So now I'll have a 2 acrylic color. One is wet and one is having a proper consistency. If you can see the skin color, it is floating, right? But if you can see the blue color, it is not floating and it is somewhat dry. So we want the exact consistency what we have it for the skin color. Now we will put 3 drops of water in the blue color and 2 spray of sanitizer, and we will mix with any stick, or I am using the toothpick right now, and we'll have to reach the same consistency what we had for the skin color. This is the final consistency what we need it for the acrylic color. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Thank you.